What is up, Accurate Traders? This is Munya, and welcome back again to my trading channel. Now today I've brought to you guys the best swing trading strategy for V75 that beginners can start to use. As you all know, guys, I review different trading strategies daily here on these channels for beginners that they can use and try and win in the market. And today we're actually going to be looking at a volatility 75 index strategy that you can use. This is a 99.99% accurate strategy, and I hope you guys are going to like it. I hope you beginners are going to try and use this to grow your small account. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to remove all the indicators on the screen so that we can have the step-by-step process of installing the strategy together, so that you don't get lost, you don't get confused, and you do not mix up what we have right here. Okay, so I'm going to go to my indicators, remove, delete, and as you can see, I'm now left with a blank chart on V75. We are going to be using our 15-minute time frame for this strategy because we're trying to get into trend catching. Remember, I said this is a swing trading strategy, which means that we're actually looking for some pretty good trends to jump into and ride along. Okay, this is, I think, a good way to start as a beginner on trading. Try and force yourself to learn to trade in line with the trend. If you get that from the beginning, you obviously keep that trade up until you're a professional trader. Okay, so the first indicator that we want to install is a moving average, and this moving average is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 21, so I'm going to change that to 21. We're going to have the shift of 0, and we're going to have the method to be exponential. And then on apply to, please make sure you choose on low. And then on levels, we're not going to need any levels, for this one. And on the style, I'm actually going to pick that green color, or let me just change it to blue so that we have exactly the same color combination that we had at the beginning of this video. Okay, so done. You can see we now have that blue line running across our charts. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment down below if you're interested in joining our 100-day trading challenge for volatility indices. There is a group that I've already created and people are joining for free. You just have to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below that you are interested, and you can send me that screenshot to my WhatsApp number showing me that you have subscribed and that you are interested. Okay, in that group, we're basically looking at the market and analyzing the volatilities indices market together. And if you just want to be part of a trading community, you're free to join that group as well. Okay, let's move on our indicators. We need to add the next indicator. Okay, so going back to my indicators, I'm going to need the relative strength index, which is right here, or the RSI, and it is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 1. We're going to have to apply to close, and on the levels, this is pretty interesting. We're going to need the following levels that you see on my screen: level 90, level 80, level 50, level 20, level 10. I think it's pretty better if we label our zones. So I'm going to just label my level 80 as a sell zone, and I am also going to label my level 10 as a buy zone. Okay, and then I'll click done. And on my visualization again, and I can allow this to be on all time frames. And then on the style, we're going to have that white color, or the same color as my background. Okay, so if you have a black background, make sure you choose black for that. If you have a white, choose white like I did. So if you click done, you see that we now have our nice zones under hit our indicator window 1. So we've got the buy zone that we had, the sell zone, and the 50 level right here as well. Okay, then moving on, we're going to need to add some more indicators. So I'm going to add some more indicators under my indicator window 1. We're going to add a moving average again, but this time we're going to have a period of 1. The shift will remain as 0. The method will also remain as exponential, as well as apply to low. You're not going to need any levels for this one, and can allow it to be on all time frames as well. But we're going to change this color to be black. Also on my styling, I'm going to change my color to black, and I'm going to click done. And as you can see, we now have a black moving average added down here below. And then last but not least, we're going to add another indicator under our indicator window 1, and it is a moving average again. But this time the period is going to change to 8. The shift, the method, and apply to remain as they are. And then on your style, we're just simply going to change the color to green and click done. And as you can see, we now have the strategy in full, and what is basically left is for us to understand how this strategy works, how you can use it on V75 and become profitable as a trading beginner. Okay, now if you are a trading professional, I don't really advise you to just rely on indicators. You really need to use some technical analysis as well as some price action and your fundamentals if they apply. But here is how you can actually start from the beginning. Okay, so we obviously have conditions on when to buy and when to sell. Okay, and I'll start off with the buy condition because that is exactly what we are looking at right now. As you guys might already tell, for you to enter into a buy trade, number 1, you have to be in your 15-minute time frame, and you have to see your black and green line approach your buy zone and cross each other or touch each other while it's in that buy zone. Once you see something like that, you're going to come to your main chart up here, and you're going to wait for your candlesticks to cross to be above that blue line. That cross means that we are now above our trend line. As you can see, this blue line is basically also the same as our trend line. So once you see that price has crossed to be above this resistant trend line, then it means that we now have a lot of buy activities happening, a lot of buy momentum. Okay, we now have a lot of buy momentum coming, and as you can see, price pushed all the way up, just like that. Okay guys, if you want more setups like this, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below that you're interested in joining our 100-day trading challenge for volatility indices, where we are analyzing and looking at the markets more like this each and every single day. You just have to subscribe, like, and comment that you're interested, and send me proof to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number will be in our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. This is to protect you guys from scammers and fraudsters that may pretend to be me. So you will only be able to get my WhatsApp number from our Telegram channel link. Again, it's free to join. Just click the link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel, where you can actually find my number and also sees my trading results, my students' trading results, results from our VIP Signals group, and results from our mentorship program, and other trading tips are available in that channel. There are over 7,000 traders in that group, so feel free to be part of us as well. Okay, so we've discussed on buy opportunities. Let's talk about selling opportunities. Basically, it is sort of like the opposite of your buy trades. Of course, you're going to need to have your green and black line cross each other or touch each other in the sell zone, like you see right there. and you're also going to need to have a cross price going below your blue line, and from there on you obviously know that the price will keep on pushing down and down and down, just using your indicators. Okay, so we can see that there are a lot of entries that are given by the strategy, and the good part is you might actually get entry after entry, so you might actually be exiting from a sell trade. Just look at this. Suppose you saw that the green and black line are in our sell zone, and you also realize price broke to be below, and you enter into a sell, right? You sell up to this point, and you also see that now we are in a buy zone, and our black and gray line are crossing each other in the buy zone, and again you see price crossing to be above our blue line. You actually exit your sell trades and enter into this buy trade. You see price pushes all the way up, and you keep on following the trend continuously. It actually helps you not to actually get confused, because you now know where the market is coming from and where the market is going, because you've been following the trend. So you can actually do that trick as well, and you'll see how profitable you are. Please try and trade on your demo accounts first with this strategy, and once you are comfortable with it, then you can move on to your real accounts, because trading is very risky, and try and protect your capital. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Until next time.